Wala ka naman pera. Ating kung pera. Ating kung pera. Ano makagalang ka?
Kasi dapat pa, yung magplano ka, magkay na ka. Bitang sa, may tukang kaloti. May tukang,
Ano tayo?
magkikay na.
Kailangan eh.
Magkikay na kay real to. Yung real to yan na magkay ka to. Ayaw ako niya.
Eh, masating mo ba? Bago masating mo karetang lalang. Develop itang ground floor.
Basement?
Oo. Yan yung ground floor. Ay, mali.
Namaman.
Again, is
Ay, kumadagulan. Muning pilanis ko.
Masanting naman eh.
Alam mo, mas
Laging kakainin
mas
pa.
masanting naman kasi nakita ng alpine.
Ngayon ay yung lugar.
At saka
Ayun, tsaka mas mura yun.
Ay, alin.
Nakawatada rin kayo.
Ayun, tsaka mas mura yun.
Oo. Including GST.
Pag niya, sasabihan niya mo, ini nga available na show ko. Wala nang bulitang sabihan. Makinig ka mo, maraming bulit.
Ay, ato niya pa kanina eh.
Wow. Ate mo, naningiglo.
Pwede kasi pala siya 550.
Nanini siya.
Makanya, depende nung kay. Walk-in closet. Ay, kay. Washer.
Ha? Santing na yun.
Hindi, basta bedroom yun.
Pangit. Pangit.
Kaya ka ng basement eh.
Lima, kanya lalam.
Na. Kaya ka ng basement.
Kut namin, nung ating developing
Hindi
base.
niya lang yung basement niya. Yung ground floor, wala ma-happen na ito. Itang garaya. Ay, tatang mo, itang atin yung entrance.
Nasa tikotod.
13, 14, 15, 16. Kenny niya. Bonus lang niya mo. Ito pang... Mahal mo ka nun.
Then, aminin ka.
Santing na naman eh.
Siya pati din
Ay,
yan.
masanting na naman.
Kung nag-make up
Ay, masanting na naman kaya sakit ang...
Kaya kasi.
O, bayaran niya ito yung realtor.
Eh, mamayad po.
Abala mo?
Ilang mamayad.
Ay,
Ikang ilang mamayad.
Masanting na naman kaya sakit ang ito.
wapin.
Ilang mamayad, dalaway ka.
Di makagulat eh. Nana masanting ka rin pa?
Masanting na yun.
This is the garage.
Double garage yan naman.
This is the garage.
That is doesn't have a fireplace, right?
Correct.
Oh, that's
One
one,
of the
yeah,
upgrades,
place,
yeah. It's
okay.
the fireplace,
And,
the railing would be
oh,
one as
yeah,
well.
Oops. Oops.
And then, like the other one has some stuff like the built-in wall oven,
Oh.
the gas stove, like some of those things. This is all standard, so it's still very nice.
This is longer.
It's quite large, yeah. So this is like the dining area. So you put a big table
And then
right here, and
you got all
It's
the.
just
then you would
option.
use it as a dining area.
Oh, you.
So we have two that are very similar to this layout.
Yeah.
If you like it, but you don't like this, there's one more that doesn't have. And it just has a open dining area, like the lights a little bit more on those.
Kaya yan tayo, magpagawa na kang garahe.
Mga santing dahil.
Ay,
Then,
tao.
show homes la siguro din eh.
Ay, makayanay kaya.
Basan yun. Anak man, 540.
Really. 3 bed siya, stuya.
Mabilis naman, Cairo, Stony Trail. Ano yung 530. Sa mga pati ng presyo eh. Hindi masating la rin yung baleng mga
Ayaw mo naman buri.
At na, ali din
Ay, na palang display.